What's up, you guys? I know this is normally not how I start out my videos, but I feel like this is something that needs to be documented for myself and for you guys. So I was just taking a minute to work on my posing practice, and I just I don't know. I feel like this whole time I've kind of been getting into my head just a little bit. And because I know going into the show, like, I was not in the best condition to be going into a show. So I'm like working extra hard right now to be able to get to this first show that's obviously gonna go into more than just one. So I like keep trying to think ahead of time in the future. But anyways, I was like sitting here doing posing practice. I had my little ring light set up, and I don't know if it was just the angle I had it at, but like I was not happy with what I was seeing in the front half of my legs. And I feel like I'm just overthinking it, to be honest. And I'm trying not to. Because we don't have time for that. We don't have time to overthink things. We don't. But this is truly just like part of prep. It's so easy to get in your own head, especially when you're on social media, and it's really hard to not get in your own head while being on social media when you are trying to be on social media, because I am trying to build a brand on Instagram, obviously, but then you see all kinds of other things and like, you know, the NPCs posting photos, and you're just like, oh my God, am I gonna be ready? Am I gonna be ready in 9 weeks? Like, 9 weeks just doesn't seem that long. Anyways, I'm freaking out for no reason. I know I'm freaking out for no reason. This is what I do. So I just wanted to document this because I want y'all to know that competing is just not easy. It's not easy, nor is losing weight easy. The process is not easy. I'm saying this for myself, and I'm saying it for you guys too. The process is not easy. Process is not easy. Okay? You're gonna go through your ups and your downs. And right now I'm in a down. I'm coming back up by talking to y'all. Honestly, it's making me feel a little bit better because I'm kind of giving myself a pep talk while giving y'all a pep talk. I just think that if you are trying to lose weight right now, just like in general, and you're just not seeing things, or maybe you're seeing, because like for me, I'm seeing the scale do all the stuff, right? The scale's like going down, things are going down, it's getting better week by week. So it's like I can see the scale moving clearly, but I'm not seeing the results on the outside, or at least my brain is not seeing the results on the outside. This is why it's always good to take like photos, progress photos, which I did in the beginning. I haven't really taken one since. I probably should, because I'm all in my head right now, and it'd probably be a good idea to do that. But if you are in some sort of weight loss, whatever you're doing in your fitness journey, I know you're gonna get in your head, because most people do. It's a lot more intense when you're in a competitive state, because you get in your head real hard because you want to be the best that you can be up on stage. Obviously, everybody does. So you put a lot of pressure on yourself, especially with me being my own coach. Like, the only person I have to blame is myself. So that adds an extra layer of pressure on me. It is important for me to say that not only if you're a competitor, you know how this feels. You've probably been through it before. If you're a new competitor and you're just finding my page, just know going into this, the mental battle is so real. I've been doing this for so long already, and that mental battle is still there. And that's crazy to me, because I figured by now it would probably go away. And I'm sure one day it will. but it's not today. If you're going through a weight loss journey, just promise me in the comments below. I want to see you say you promise that you will be forgiving with yourself, that you will be patient with yourself, that you will not give up on yourself, because I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna move on with this vlog. Things will be okay. It'll be okay for you guys too. It's okay for me, it's okay for you. We're all gonna be okay. We're all doing this together at this point. So yeah. All right, onward with the rest of the vlog. There's more people out here than normal. I'm like the most antisocial person in the morning, so it's like I see people up when I'm up and I'm like, no. Anyways, so we are going to my apartment gym. There's nobody in there, yay. So unfortunately, my apartment does not have a Stairmaster, but what we do have is an elliptical, and we also have a couple bikes. And did I say elliptical? I meant treadmill, but we do have ellipticals. They're back there. So I guess I want to do elliptical this morning. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on it, get this cardio out of the way so I can go home and eat, because I'm hungry. Okay, so I am now done with cardio, fast cardio, and I am profusely sweating, so anyways, I'm sweaty. I feel good. I feel better than I did yesterday, that's for sure. So, the one thing I will say is I just can't think about it. I can't think about it one day at a time. One day at a time. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this one day at a time. So right now I'm going to go ahead and go home. I have a wedgie. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk home, and I'm gonna go eat some breakfast because I am starving. We'll check back in with y'all a little later. Okay, bye.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy. crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in a grave or under a type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I know it was probably all over the place. It was a really weird week. I'm actually even filming this part like the week after because it was just a crazy week. There's a lot going on. Work was insane, and then I was, you know, doing all the prepping and cardio and weightlifting and everything on top of it. So it was just weird. I promise that not every vlog will be like this, but I still wanted to get something out for you guys because I do want to track this weekly, not only for y'all but for myself. I would love to have something to reminisce on in years to come, so I want to make sure that I'm putting out enough content for you guys. But definitely let me know down in the comments something that you would like to see, if there's anything that you would like to know, or if you have questions about. I would love to answer your questions. So if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notification button so you know whenever I post a new video. And of course, as always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up as it helps me and my channel very much. And just remember, guys, you just can't beat the person who never gives up. So keep going, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.